Self-love is a journey, not a destination. It begins with understanding who you truly are. Take a moment to breathe and connect with your inner self. Acknowledge your feelings without judgment. Embrace your imperfections. They make you unique. Practice gratitude for the little things in life. Each day, remind yourself of your worth. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Surround yourself with positive energy and people. Meditation can help you find peace within. Visualize your ideal self and the life you desire. Let go of negative thoughts that hold you back. Remember, you are deserving of love and happiness. Nurture your spirit with kindness and compassion. As you grow in self-love, you inspire others to do the same.